Alright, so we are getting ready to go camping. Brian is TDY, and so this is like the first opportunity we've had to like meet him and go see him.
You have chips? But that's big. How big is the bag? Is it as big as you?
I thought he's that.
Hi.
Dad!
Hey. You guys are all peeing.
Well, you are wider than a fetter.
You're not there.
Hey, Dad.
He's not.
Or from my football.
Nobody step on that line. Nobody step on that line.
Dixie.
No, they're answering. So? He's going crazy. He's happy.
We're just gonna load up the kiddos and then head over to the campsite. We stayed the night in the hotel, got in late last night, had some dinner, and now we're off. Ooh. Turn around.
Go and look.
Wait, how will we get up there then? Really, I'm choosing the top one. Whoa. Can I put my bag where I'm Where's the ladder? There's no ladder.
Yeah, well, lay your guys' sleeping bags down and then.
Oh.
Hiram, what do you think?
It's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Definitely. It'll be fun. It'll be fun.
Put our mattress down. You guys can sleep on the bottom bunk.
We're getting double.
Who wants to sleep on the top bunk?
I am. You need to go out the back door.
It's not bad. So
He would go out the back door. Let's see. Maybe we don't share.
Reminds me of like. Put Ezra and Hiram like right here. Who else wants to try that?
This is mine. Not me. Solomon, you're sleeping up here. You're sleeping up there.
Welcome to Faulkner Summer Camp.
Right.
21.
I knew you were going to sleep there.
It's hot. Now get down. Why not pack sweatpants?
Oh, wait.
Ezra, what do you think? Is it cool?
Down.
You can't get up.
Yeah.
That's not good. You'll have to sleep on the bottom.
No.
No? Alright, well let's go get our food and the kennels out. Here's the reality of long road trips with kids. So
somehow the chips end up on the floor in the car seat along with the rest of the trash. But it's alright. We'll just do a good detail when we get back. Alright, you want your sleeping bag to cover the whole thing.
Why? Why, Mom?
Ezra, where's your bed? Under Hiram?
No, that's where Brian's sleeping.
No, Brent's sleeping in the top bunk. Here, Brent. Here.
Louie, that's Meow Meow sleeps in this pocket.
In the pocket?
Oh, wow. I don't believe it.
See?
You really
Oh,
can
it's
get
a
up
perfect spot. Is this where you're sleeping?
Yep.
Awesome bunk area. Orange grasshopper.
In the same game.
Why are your hands all orange?
It's called tobacco juice. It's like a self-defense that grasshoppers release because it's sticky and it stinks.
Hi, Rob. Finley Grace.
What?
What are we doing?
Making dinner?
We're making dinner?
Yeah.
On what?
Fire.
On a fire? Ezra, what's Brantley doing? No, we're gonna eat. Putting food together. This lovely spread of brats and hot dogs. We have a grill kit inside. Dun dun dun! Ezra, what are we having for dinner?
Hot dog.
Those hot dogs?
Good. Buy a hot dog and fine.
Really?
One, then the one.
10 ones? I think that's 6. That's mustard.
Oh, the mustard?
Yep. That's your hot dog. What are you having on it?
Mayonnaise.
I already put
Mayonnaise.
Right in it.
Dixie May. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a
He's
real one.
gonna like watch that. Roll him on his side. Yes. Yeah, we watched it. Alright, Finny, go. We are up in Adam. I think we slept okay. We did an air mattress on the floor for Brian and I, which did not work. So we slept on the hardwood floor. We'll have to do plan B tonight to, maybe get a better night's sleep. We're just doing breakfast. I think kids are all playing. Some went for a walk. I have already started coffee.
Good morning.
Bacon. That sounds yummy. Or looks yummy. Both.
Yum.
Lunch today is pie irons. This is a peach, cheese, and ham. Done. Pepperoni and cheese, peanut butter and jelly, and just cheese.
Dad, yes, peanut butter and jelly time. Peanut butter and jelly time.
Add some butter, and just add the pie.
I'm going to the way.
What is that? It's a praying mantis. After mating, they'll bite the heads off the males and eat them.
Just the head or the body?
Well, they bite the head off to kill them and then they eat them.
Can I pet him?
Kill him, don't kill him.
No. That was so cool.
Yeah.
One.
It peed on you.
Does your mom want
No, Ezra! You're gonna kill it! Don't do that!
You got it, Ezra?
Is it a baby or an adult? Okay, holding it. Hold it. Hi.
Apparently, the female.
Yeah, it's scared. Too.
It's gonna be.
It's a jump ball.
Yep. So today we did like a shrimp packet. So corn, potatoes, shrimp, and a sausage, and just some seafood seasoning and a Creole, or like a Old Bay. We'll put that on the grill. You just wrap it in tinfoil. Makes it easy and a little bit different than just hot dog broth and burgers.
Ezra, is that marshmallow yummy? Oh, is it yummy?
Ezra, what do you have?
Ezra, don't put those snakes. What are you doing? Are those snakes?
So we have cinnamon rolls this morning. Fried dough. We'll do some eggs.
Accessible by foot only.
This is. Oh.
Ew. Grody.
Who does not clean up the dog food?
Now you know. Go, Ezra.
Ezra's the smartest little kid in the family now.
Tripping over Solomon and his shoe issues.
Brittany, my turn.
It's the trees. I'm better.
Watch, he's gonna remake it. Splat.
It was just 0.1.
Oh, okay.
Oboe. At a tea party. Ranch. No. Sugar. In the Seven
Ranch
Dwarfs
at a
Cottage.
tea party.
Seven Dwarfs Cottage. Radish. There was no radish. Yes, there was.
There's a rabbit.
Rabbit. Radish. Rabbit. Still one. Okay. Choose a teammate who can get you to guess the answer by acting out clues with no talking or sounds.
Ezra. Ezra, do it.
I'll do it. He's not on our team. Oh, I know. What? Wreck-It Ralph? The Beast? Cinderella?
Run!
Wreck-It Ralph?
We tried running.
Was it Ralph?
It's Saul!
Sully?
Yes. What? Go!
You get 2. We win. You give up?
We won!
You give up?
It's won!
Solomon, I think your shoes belong on your feet, not your ankle.
It's won!
Mom, they won that game. There's a lot of water in that shit.
Mom!
Mom, let me see your ankles. Mom, listen. Oh, that's nice. I think you wore your shoes wrong.
Listen.
Hi. My fingers are tiny. It looks like I lost half of
You
it.
eating? Don't eat the powdered sugar out of the bowl. Hyra! Ew.
I just grabbed a fistful of powdered sugar.
I guess when it's raining at camp, you just have fun, right? Whatever entertains you.
Tropical punch. I have watermelon. Wait.
I almost had these pop so bad, like really bad in my throat. It really hurt.
I ate that at once.
Sorry. Why are you closing on my face?
I would have said something, but I didn't know. You've had 2.
Chloe, butt juice on your sweater, Mom.
Damn.
You destroyed a whole generation of frogs.
Bye.
Did you get a bag?
Goodbye.
The fly is a glow bag.
She's looking for a frog.
Is it gonna light up?
Oh,
Try and catch lightning bugs. Yes, I'll go.
look at my curly hair.
You're welcome, Ezra. You caught a glow bag?
Right now. Right now.
I got 2. What is it? How many does he have now? 2.
Good job.
How many fireflies do you have?
Did you work on the apples? I don't know. I don't
You have 6 fireflies.
Actually, 5. If he doesn't have 6, he needs 3 more. It's not 5. Well, maybe not 1.
Millipede exoskeleton.
Mom, don't dog poop. Open the door. Mama,
You giving him hair?
it's a growing spider. Take